we continue to see that going into our weekend as we see more rain and snowfall tomorrow, stretching into our Sunday with temperatures upper 30s on our Saturday, sliding back down into the upper 20s for our Sunday. What we are tracking, again, as I mentioned, we have 3 different areas of potential snowfall. The first one's going to happen later tomorrow into Sunday afternoon. That's going to be a light lake effect snow event, 1 to 2 inches along and west of US 131. Then another light snow event Monday a.m. into Tuesday a.m. That could potentially be as much as 1 to 3 inches along and south of I-96. And then lake effect snow behind that one, where we could see several inches of snow piling up. This is the first one, late Saturday into Sunday. We'll have an inch or less in the gray shading away from, should I say, well away from Lake Michigan, but a couple bands of light lake effect snowfall going to set up where we typically see it along 94, along and west of US 131, where we could see as much as 1 to, in a few spots, 2 inches of snowfall by the time we wrap up our weekend and head into Monday morning. What we're also tracking is that second light snowmaker, the Euro, staying pretty firm on having little to no snow here, but the GFS still tries to bring in a little bit of snowfall in our far southern counties, but it keeps trying to trend most of that snowfall out of West Michigan. Another model that we at least are seeing bring up, it only goes 84 hours out, so we're starting to see Monday in that one. That's the NAM model, and that brings a little bit of light snow into West Michigan, generally along and south of I-96, and that could be a few inches of snowfall. Here's what we're expecting or thinking is going to happen for Monday to Tuesday. An inch up towards I-96 and along and south of I-94, an inch to 2, maybe isolated spots closer to the Indiana border at 3 inches of snowfall. So not a whole lot of snow, but still enough that could cause a few slick spots out there for Tuesday morning. Mostly cloudy tonight with areas of fog developing, 29 degrees. There's that one little weak system that's going to drag in the colder air, a very strong East Coast system that's not really going to have too much of an impact on our weather here in West Michigan, besides some breezier conditions tomorrow and allowing for that cold air to race back in for our Sunday and churn up a few of those lake effect snow showers. Lake effect could be heavier on Tuesday and Wednesday depending on how deep the cold air is. It looks cold enough to send us back into the middle 20s for Wednesday and upper teens for our Thursday morning.